Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia and I'm back with another headband wig review. Okay dolls, if you're tired of seeing these videos, I'm sorry. This is what's hot on these wig streets right now, so I gotta deliver it for the people. I am trying to mix in some lace unit here and there, and if this is not your tea, then go ahead and find another video on my channel that suits your needs. But for now, we gonna rock with the lazy people, such as myself, okay? So dolls, today's video is sponsored by Genius Wigs. Now I have reviewed a unit for them before. Their units are a little bit special and we're gonna get into a little bit more of the deets in a second. But before I do that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Don't worry, we'll wait a minute. Now you don't want the people to get mad at you, so go ahead and hurry up and do that. Okay dolls, now that we've taken care of housekeeping, let's get down to business. So this is the unit that I will be reviewing today. This is this beautiful straight, it's like a yucky kinky straight type texture. This is the headband wig. If you aren't familiar with it, it is basically a half wig with a headband. This is the headband that comes attached to it. There are velcros on both sides. There's a comb in the back along with an adjustable elastic band, and there's 3 combs in the front, 2 on the sides and 1 in the middle. Now the beauty about these headbands, if you don't already know, is that these literally take no time to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and just install this unit and let you guys see what it looks like. I'm gonna only use the clips, well, I'm gonna use all 3 clips. Put it in to your stocking cap. Then I like to take the back clip and just tuck that under the stocking cap, and I take these Velcro straps and just go ahead and fasten it. If you don't want to show your edges, you can just leave this headband covering the front and just rock it like this. But I do like to show some of my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and just push this back a little. So this is my first time reviewing an actual straight headband wig. I was gonna do it without using baby hairs, but I just don't like my forehead without baby hairs. So let me just go ahead and lay a couple of them down real quick. I'm gonna use my wet line gel. This is great for laying your baby hairs and camouflaging that dome. Okay dolls, I'm gonna act like I wasn't just struggling with these baby hairs just a few minutes ago. The baby hair, guys, was not on my side, but I made it do. So basically this is what the unit looks like straight out the package. Before I try the headbands on, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of straighten these ends a little bit just to give you a full idea of what it really will look like. Okay dolls, so that's better. I didn't really have to straighten it, but it did have some folds from packaging. I just wanted to give you guys a realistic look of how this would look once straightened. As you can see, it is a kinky straight type texture. I got this in 18 inches. I will stand up so you can see where this lays on me. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what this looks like in the back. I did do a quick press over, so it may not be optimal, but you'll get the idea. So as you guys can see, this unit is nice and full, and this is only, I think, 150% density. So So let me go ahead and try a headband on so you can see what it looks like, and then be sure and stay tuned because this unit actually is a 2-for-1. So this is what the first headband looks like. This is really cute, and I love how natural it looks, and it matches my shirt just a little bit. So y'all already know I'm gonna have to go ahead and throw on some earrings. And now it completes the look. And what do you guys think? I love it. It looks very natural. But wait, there's more. Okay, so let me try this in a low half up, half down style, just to give y'all some variety. And I can't find my black hair tie, so this is gonna have to work. And she is cute. Ah, she is cute. You like? Y'all know I gotta start modeling for y'all once I like or something. Y'all just washed my hair and did a blowout. You know, nothing. It's nothing. Okay, so let me stop playing. Okay, so this is what it looks with a half up, half down. I think she's very cute. I like this hairstyle with this. So without any further ado, I know I've been hinting to that this is a 2-for-1. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean about this. This is a wet and wavy unit as well. So you have this yaki / kinky straight texture. And all you have to do is just get you a bottle of water and wet it. I'm gonna be honest, I should have just put this in the sink just to wet it faster, but we're gonna do it the slow way. Dolls, tell me these curls are not popping. I love this hair texture. I reviewed a lace unit for them previously, so I already kind of knew how this texture was gonna look. I loved it then, and I'm still loving it now. This is bomb. I'm sorry. If you don't like it, I don't know what to tell you. I love it. Look at this. You can't tell me I don't have Indian in my family, okay? Stop the hate, all right? Okay, I just went from kinky straight, just had a blowout, a fresh Dominican blowout, to now I'm Panamanian and I got Indian in my family, okay? Beautiful. This is just beautiful. I love it. I don't even care about trying on none of the other headbands. I know you probably do, but I don't. I'm gonna just start calling guys Poppy. Hey, Poppy. Nah, let me stop. There's black people who have this hair texture. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't take me serious, okay? So let me go ahead and try another headband on for you so you can see what it looks like. Now, the other two headbands that they included with my package are more like the headband sleeves. So you just kind of roll them up, put it around your neck. So this headband is pretty cool because you could kind of like decide what color you really want to show. And this is what this one looks like. Of course, you can wear this up in a pony. You could do the low pony. Let me turn around so you guys can see what it looks like from behind. Okay, so let me try the last headband on for you. And this is what it looks like with this headband. Very tropical. I love it. One more thing I forgot to add. If you want to have it straight again, all you have to do is flat iron it or hit it with the hot comb. I really haven't mastered how to style these headband sleeves, but I'm going to try to put it up in an updo. And this is what it looks like with this headband. I love it. Very tropical. Beautiful. So dolls, when I was trying this on, I thought I was recording, but basically all I did was pull this sleeve up in the back, and I did a ponytail in the top, and I let it hang. I left it a little loose. So dolls, I've showed you everything about the versatility of this unit. Now let's get into the details of this headband wig. Now, as I mentioned, this is in 18 inches and this is in 150% density, and they do have the different option of different head size. I believe I'm wearing a medium, which is 22.5. I do believe is true to size, so be sure to order the correct size that correlates with your head. Now, one good thing about this unit is that they do offer free shipping. It's free shipping via FedEx or DHL. You'll get it within 2 to 4 business days. And I'm not sure if they have a coupon code. If they do, I'll go ahead and put that across the screen right now. And as always, guys, everything I use in this video will be linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna need your help naming this beauty. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestion in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name of the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you leave. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button on your way out. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.